Something special awaits us each day. All we need to recognize it and make the most of it. We should have a positive attitude throughout the day, and then that today is going to be the best day of our life. With this beautiful line, a very warm good morning to one and all present over here, respected principal sir, teachers, and my dear brothers and sisters. I am Sampath Kumar Hendram, on behalf of Standard 9, welcoming you to today's morning assembly. Let's start the morning assembly with DAV gun.
School! Attention! Ready for DAV gun! Join your hands and close your eyes.
First of all, I would like to call the taking place.
School! Stand at ease!
India is my country. All Indians are my brothers and sisters. I love my country and I am proud of its rich and varied heritage. I shall always strive to be worthy of it. I shall give my parents, teachers, and all elders respect and treat everyone with courtesy. To my country and my people, I place my devotion. In their well being and prosperity along lies my happiness. Jai Hind.
Now I would like to call evening 10 principles of Arya Samaj.
10 Principles of Arya Samaj. Principle number 3. The Vedas are the scriptures of all true knowledge. It is the first duty of Aryas to read them, hear them being read, and recite them to others. Principle number 4. We should always be ready to accept truth and give up untruth. Thank you.
For today's thought, I would like to call
Morning to all present over here. Today's thought is a negative mind cannot give you a positive life. I repeat, a negative mind cannot give you a positive life. Thank you.
School! Attention! Ready for prayer song?
For today's news, I would like to call.
Good morning, everyone. This is Vagesh Makut. Today's news headlines. First, some international news. Imran Khan says he stays awake at night worrying about price rate. COVID-19 situation worsens in Pakistan as it reports over 7,500 now cases. Burkina Faso government denies army takeover after Barak's gunfire. Now, some national news. Bhim Army chief announces alliances of 35 smaller parties ahead of UP polls. Mamta takes us promise by center to unravel Netaji mystery. Now some sports news. Kohli could have carried for 4 more years as test captain, says Shastri. Mithali Raj on her playing international cricket after ODI Women's Cricket World Cup. Thank you.
For some amazing fact, I would like to call.
Good morning everyone. Today's factfile are based on Udham Singh. Udham Singh was an Indian revolutionary belonging to Gadar Party and HSRA. He was born in 26 December 1899 at Sunam of Punjab. His parents are Sardar Tihal Singh Jammu and mother Mata Narayan Kaur. He was also referred to as Shahid Azam Sardar Udham Singh. He died on 31st July 1940 at the age of 40 at Bansbury, England. A district called Udham Singh Nagar of Uttarakhand was named after him to pay homage in October 1995 by the Mayawati government. That's all. Thank you.
Now I would like to call Sugar presenting today's word.
Good morning everyone. Today's word is benevolent. Its spelling is Benevolent. Its meaning is well-wishing or helpful. Its synonym is kind. Its antonym is unkind. Its example is he is always benevolent towards his countrymen. I repeat, today's word is benevolent. Its spelling is Benevolent. Its meaning is well-wishing or helpful. Its synonym is kind or its antonym is unkind. Its example is he is always benevolent towards his countrymen. Thank you and have a nice day.
School, attention. Ready for national anthem.
If you have the chance to make people happy, just do it. Sometimes people are struggling silently. Maybe your act of kindness can make their day. So with this beautiful line, I am concluding today's morning assembly. That's all. Thank you and have a nice day.
School, stand at ease. Assembly dispersed.